Hey everyone, welcome back to the car updates. First up, the design. The 2025 Hemi Cuda pays homage to its classic predecessors while pushing the envelope with contemporary design elements. Up front, you'll notice the signature split grille, an unmistakable nod to the original 1970s model. But Plymouth didn't just stop at nostalgia. The LED headlights with their aggressive slanting design give it a modern, predatory look, perfect for carving up the streets. The wide fenders and sculpted body lines emphasize its muscle car heritage, but with a refined twist. And those 20-inch forged alloy wheels? They're not just for show, they're built to handle the power this Cuda is packing. This power translates to a blistering 0 to 60 in just 3.5 seconds, thanks to a new 8-speed automatic transmission that shifts with lightning speed. And for those purists out there, yes, there's a manual option, because Plymouth knows what true driving enthusiasts crave. Step inside, and you're greeted with a blend of retro styling cues and cutting-edge technology. The cabin is driver-focused, with classic touches like the pistol grip shifter and circular gauges, but updated with modern luxuries. It's as advanced as it gets, with a 15-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Harman Kardon sound system to boot. The seats are a mix of leather and Alcantara, offering comfort for long drives and the support you need when you're pushing this car to its limits. And with plenty of legroom and a spacious trunk, the Hemi Cuda proves that muscle cars can be practical too. Performance isn't just about power, it's about control. The 2025 Hemi Cuda features an adaptive suspension system that adjusts in real time to keep you planted through corners, whether you're on the track or just cruising through town. So, what makes the 2025 Plymouth Hemi Cuda stand out in a crowded field of performance cars? It's a perfect blend of old-school muscle and modern technology. It's a car that respects its heritage while embracing the future. Whether you're a die-hard fan of the original or a newcomer to the muscle car scene, the Hemi Cuda offers something truly special. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments what you think of the new Hemi Cuda.